We'll guide you through how to enable cookies in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for certain sites to go and work properly, we need to go and have cookies enabled and turned on. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. And by the end, cookies are going to be on. So what we need to do is come into Chrome as we already are here. It doesn't actually matter what page you're currently on. What we then need to do though is come to the top right and you can go and find those three dots and you want to go and click there. Come down the list right to the bottom and find settings with the gear or cook icon to the left and click there. And here we are. Now you want to come over to the left and find the option for privacy and security. So you want to go and click there and you're going to see a list of options. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and find third-party cookies. So you can go and access the setting here. Alternatively though, if you can't go and see it here, you can press site settings at the bottom, scroll down into content, and you can get to the cookies page here as well, third-party cookies. So there's some different places where you can go and access it. We'll go and access it from here. You can see at the top here, a site that you can visit can embed content from other sites. For example, images, ads, and contacts. Cookies set by other sites are called third-party cookies. So what you can then do is go and set them to allow if they're currently blocked, as you can see, and that's going to be it. Now, cookies are going to go and be working. It does say here that in incognito, they are going to be blocked. So you need to go and use it in the normal Chrome mode.